Hey, what's up, Tron coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see, my friend, the Tron coin price will pumps up a 4.48%, my friend. And today we will talk about the next pump of Tron coin. To in upcoming time, they will pumps up or they will dumps down. Absolutely, my friends. How much and when, my friends, they will take a jump. So therefore, this is very important for all holders to understand this. To in upcoming time, can Tron is increasing? Can the Tron price is increasing or decreasing? This is very important now, so please, my friends holders, you will need to watch this video completely to understand better now, my friend, because if you understand this, then I hope, my friends, to you will earn a lot of money from crypto, my friends. This time, as you can see here, first of all, the price, the highest price, 0.10 USD dollar, but here, as you can see, the current price, so it's really less, my friend. You can see here, sorry, 0.09. so definitely the price is decreased now. So what's the reason to the price is decreased? Remember, my brothers, to first reason was that when a holder are starting selling, then the coin were very badly dumps down. And the second reason was that, my friends, to absolutely, my friends, in those days, or my friend, after a huge pump, absolutely every coin will dumps down. So therefore, these two big reasons, my friend, as I found it, so I tell you, my friend. So in upcoming time, there is a 80% chance, my friends, to the price will pumps down. I told you the 20%. Why not, my friends? There, because, my friend, there is a no chance to, my friends, TRX is hold, because sometimes they are starting selling, so definitely the coin is go to the garbage. But when they are starting holding, then remember, to this coin is completely go to the moon. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, you will need first of all to be active in every time. I hope if you start starting holding, and then absolutely they will give you a profit. But if you're just only wait for the end of month, at the end of month, I am 100% sure to Tron will easily hit now 0.2 USD dollar. But 0.2 USD dollar is just only possible if a holder are starting holding. And yes, my brother, if you are starting holding, and the CEO of Tron coin personally tweet now to, we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will collaborate with my friends, especially in Amazon, so I hope, my friends, today will hit now 0.5 USD dollar. So let's start, my friends. Please, in upcoming time, we will need to hold. If you are starting hold, then remember, today will give you a profit. So please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest update and urgent news. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.